gonna try to crawl actually, guys, or something. I don't want him to see me. Shit. Won't he see me?
Surprise!
Ah, damn! I was gonna surprise you. What's up, bro?
What's up? How
Long
you doing?
time no see.
Welcome
How's
back,
everything?
man. All good,
Damn,
all good.
bro. Yeah, look at that BMW sign. Yeah, bro. How's your car? Good now? All
It
fixed
is
up,
good, man.
pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, you happy?
Where, you live here or what? I parked over
Oh
there.
yeah, over there. I mean, I told you that building. No, I told you that building number because it's easier to find. Otherwise, you would be like
Yeah,
driving around looking for everything. Yeah, it's right there. You know, that's
got the
why.
camera on?
I got the camera, man. Damn, man.
What happened to your face? Come on.
I don't know, man. It's crazy, bro. Like he's Chukcha Antonio, if you're watching, why are you sleeping, man? Killing me.
You see that?
Oh yeah. That's what happened after work or what? Well, why you have this on?
No, this is driving glove.
Oh, driving gloves. Why is there only one? Where's the second one?
I don't know what is it. The guys was the car.
Somebody stole it?
Maybe.
What? Go back to them, beat them up, bro. Yeah.
How are you doing?
What are you doing, man?
Babushka.
Are you new or what? Babushka. Damn, look at this thing, huh? That thing.
Yeah, man.
Now, why is it this screw over here, the 10mm, bro?
I was,
Are you new or what?
No, I was in downtown park clubbing, you know. When I came back, I found the plate all the way down like that. So somebody
What? Somebody hit it or?
Yeah, you know, downtown, you know, Chicago motherfuckers.
Oh man, Chirac.
You with this car, bro?
Hell yeah. Very nice car, bro. I can't believe you were trying to like, you know, sell this car.
Yes, it
Yeah. Damn, so you want me to drive this, huh?
You go ahead.
That's nice, man.
Shut up!
Yeah,
they
man.
listening?
Yeah, I can see it, yeah, bro. Oh wait, I don't need this thing now. Let's see, fifth, sixth. You got 6 gears on this thing? Holy
Yeah,
shit,
you
that's
know.
Crazy. Oh my gosh, this is freaking awesome. Look at this steering wheel. Damn, bro, and you wanted to sell this car. This car is
Okay.
freaking cool, man.
No. Fuck my pump.
Yeah, but you know,
If you were here, I would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not here, you know. And I don't know too much.
That's one. Oh shit,
That's
this
two.
just came off. That's normal. What the heck is this guy gonna do? Hey!
Anybody die?
Driving BMW for the first time. 540. The shifter is a little broken. It's okay. I got this. Holy shit, film this odometer, the speedometer, bro. Man, this car's fast, bro. I gotta tell you that shit. Crazy. Oh yeah, I see. I feel the vibration when you brake it. Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, a little bit.
Even though I just put them on, they're brand new.
Hell yeah. Go get some coffee. Yeah, man, it's nice. Yeah, Starbucks, special. Man, this thing is race car. It's fucking crazy, man. I gotta slow down a little. Let's see, we go 50. Oh yeah, she's shaking a little. Yeah, we gotta check that out, bro.
I have the warranty on, so I can take
I don't
them
know,
back.
maybe that's something else than just the rotors, but yeah. This thing is cool, I like it.
Oh, Downshifting.
Yeah, I like it, huh?
Check engine on or nothing.
Yeah, amazing car, man. Hell yeah. I'm gonna park it in style, like Europeans do. Backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you trying to do?
Don't tell him what happened.
That was a fail. Oh, that was such a fail, dude. Oh my god, what a fail. New guy.
I didn't got that on the video.
You got it, huh?
No.
I'm gonna get roasted now. Whoa! VITO'S garage can't drive BMW. Stick shift. I love the clutch though. It's like sensitive, but it's still, I kind of like it, man. Yeah, I gotta film it from the outside, bro. Yeah, look at this. Damn, I can't believe I stole that thing, bro. Such a new guy, huh? Such a new guy. Man, BMW everywhere. Shit. I wish, well, we'll film it again during the daylight. Yeah. She's nice, man. And you said you put those headlights, right? Or they it came like that?
Angel Eyes?
No, yeah, these. Yeah, that's nice, though.
Yeah, he did, not me.
So nice.
The guy who owned it before.
Man. You know what's so funny? I kind of want this car now.
Oh, really?
It's like it's difficult. It's difficult with me, you know. I try something new and I like it and I want it.
You fall in love with it.
You know. Same like with Benzes, you know. Like if I were to drive a W124 E420 right now, or like something like that, I'd be like, I want to take it now.
I want to buy it.
That's it. Yeah. Is this fan brand new as well?
Yeah, radiator fan.
Yeah.
Spark plugs. Water pump. Water pump.
Nice. This is a big engine, man. Imagine if I were to swap this engine to a Mercedes 123.
It fits?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think so. It's too big, but it would be pretty cool, huh? Imagine that thing with
no
work.
oil leak, no nothing. Everything is
bulletproof.
You can see your face on this engine. It's like a mirror.
Yeah. You can put a coin over here and it's not gonna drop. That's nice, man.
Hey, you know how to adjust the car? Beer or beer? What's the name?
Yeah. So nice, dude. Yeah, the calipers need to be painted like red. As ASAP. That car's gonna stand out a lot more. Damn, bro. Shoot. So nice. Actually, I'm surprised it has a lot of legroom in the back, bro. Like,
hell yeah, bro. These cars are shit. I love these E39.
shit.
What's yours? E39, right? Yeah.
Damn, look how big the trunk is. That's crazy. Dude, I just realized how big this trunk is, man. It's crazy. You know why I think? It's because on my W210 there's a gas tank in the inside the trunk. That's why it's not as spacious.
The project.
How much oil you got, bro? Hey, you know this car burns oil like 2 quarts of oil. Yeah, 2 quarts of oil in 100 miles.
I was expecting it to be blue because the video that I checked online, the guy, it was blue.
No, it's probably because it's too dark. That's why it's kind of blue. How many bottles did the guy use?
Just one.
Just one?
But his was bigger because he had a 6-cylinder.